GameFi and NFTs are going to be the future of the one thing many of us love the most, gaming. And while it has a very big place in our hearts, it deserves a place in blockchain, and that's what we're going to talk about today. A project that is made and marketed as a Layer 1 blockchain DeFi, NFT, and gaming platform. And by not having a segue into the video, we are talking about Reef Coin today. Everything you need to know about the token and much more. Let's see how that turns out. Reef is a reliable, extensible, efficient, fast Layer 1 blockchain for DeFi, NFT, and gaming. Built using Substrate Framework, it provides high scalability, enabling almost instant low-cost transactions, and supports Solidity and EVM, allowing developers to seamlessly migrate their dApps from Ethereum without any change in the codebase. Reef Chain is the most advanced EVM-compatible blockchain. It's self-upgradable and has on-chain governance. Its infrastructure also allows for EVM extensions, which allows for native token bridge, scheduled calls, or something called recurring payments, and smart contract in-place code upgrades. In the near future, it will support additional VMs, which will allow developers to write code in multiple programming languages. The network runs on a nominated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which offers scalability and low fees. Reef is the native token that is used for fees for processing transactions and storing data, running validator nodes, and staking Reef tokens, and nominating which validator nodes should be part of the network. Reef is backed by multiple leading funds and venture capitalists, including NGC, QCP, Bitcoin.com, Kinetic Capital, LD Capital, TRG Capital, Crypto Group, Genesis Block, Woodstock Fund, and others. Remix and EVM integrated development environments for uploading and deploying smart contracts. ReefScan Blockchain Explorer to assist with deploying validators, bonding and nominating validators, debugging contracts, and understanding network performance. Reef command line tools that allow developers deploy applications from local environments. As of today, the total circulating supply is $18.2 billion, which also happens to be the current total supply. However, we don't know the total supply of the token. Reef is geared towards cryptocurrency newcomers, alongside existing DeFi users who find it difficult to keep up with maintaining funds and wallets across multiple blockchains. The team has tackled the high gas fees seen on the Ethereum blockchain by building on Substrate, which enables most instant transactions and low costs, where some claim Ethereum's fees renders DeFi protocols unusable. What makes the Reef chain unique is that any DeFi protocol that is already deployed on Ethereum or an EVM-compatible network can run on Reef with just a few changes to the code. Since Reef chain straddles this intersection between Ethereum and Polkadot, along with bridges to other blockchains, the Reef ecosystem can be accessed by anyone with a Web3 wallet that is interested in accessing dApps on Reef. Because of how it has been built on Substrate, Reef is extensible and can have support for multiple VMs, virtual machines, as well as extension for existing popular VMs such as EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. It has on-chain upgrades functionality, so any new features are easily pushed through the networking layer, but also on-chain governance. Reef uses a nominated proof-of-stake system to bond to potential validators, nominate potential validators, and to secure the Reef network. This allows for low cost, almost instant transactions with finality achieved in 10 seconds on average. For those without the technical skills to run a validator node, they can be a nominator. Nominators secure the Reef relay chain by selecting good validators and staking Reef. Being a validator requires technical expertise, staking Reef, and running a node 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year with high availability. Validators that cannot maintain performance or uptime have their stakes slashed, as do their nominators. While Reef are staked by nominating a validator, they are locked, bonded. Nominators can receive new Reef in their wallet, but cannot stake as a validator or transfer Reef away from their wallet. Nominators can unnominate at any time to stop staking their funds, which becomes effective in the next era. Unnominating does not automatically unbond funds. There is an unbonding period of 28 days on Reef before bonded funds can be transferred after issuing an unbond transaction, which makes it pretty safe overall. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you'll want to watch more videos. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.